Hi, PaolaJo from SederQuilts. Chunking, it's not just for borders anymore. I would love to show you how to design on the fly at your machine and do some fun little things to improve your stitch out by making some minor little quick changes as you're going, and to even be able to put into place and how to fill in perfectly with ProStitcher Premium for beautiful results. Yeah, isn't that cool? Yes, you can design on the fly with the basic functionality of ProStitcher Premium. I'd love to teach you how. Toodaloo!